picking up actually all the dead thing. Why you kill them? The sugar cane.
It's just different thing like.
Comes up like that. Of course.
So we walk around half a kilometer. Now it's almost at the 11th site. We have to walk through another small farm.
Nào nó cứ hai lùm, các bạn thấy chưa? Cái nào chấm tay đi lùm.
You can see already the bell of Arang Bai elephant.
Làm nữa làm này, không? Đi làm phần. Tăng lại đi tới tam phần tăng lại bên.
Before Arang Bai coming to this area, the forest is very thick, but now it's very clean and smooth because Arang Bai is already eat most of the grass. Okay, now we arrive. So Arang Bai is now walking to us very happily. It's been already a few days that we haven't visited him. So today is another special day and we have 6 plants or sugar canes.
Mai. Đây dương nó đây dương cùng tươi nó.
So at first, Venerable Ri is cutting sugarcane trees into shorter pieces. Of ridiculous. His 5th leg is already dropping down. You can see, huge one. This one designed to say that he's very excited to be here, to welcome us, to see us. So every time that he's become very super excited, normally his 5th leg is dropping down from his body. You can see here, huge one. So nothing happening here. He's not going to peace, but because he's too excited, and his 5th leg is just dropping out. It's already gone back. So let's see how this monk is feeding him. Normally he has a little bit of ants to play with him. He eats grass, but when he see the plant, he not interested anymore into the leaf on the grass. So his eye just pointed to the plant. Okay, he has a little art of playing with him. Normally, for the first time, he don't eat right away. He save it for eating later. He expected to have some more of the foods, and then so he start eating.
Bye.
Venerable Vani.
Oh yeah, hello. Welcome the world to see this giant guy elephant.
How's today? What are you doing?
just I've been to the farm, not far from the sugarcane farm, and cutting and get some like sugarcane for feeding this beautiful guy. That we always like did it, yeah, every day. Sometimes twice a day, yeah, a couple of times a day. You know, we love him so much. He's getting like, wow, he grows up right now, getting much taller. But he just arrived, like we've been here about 3 months ago, and yeah, a little bit skinny, but right now he's getting bigger and bigger right now, and looks quite healthy. Got plenty of food here.
Because of your food make him bigger or what?
No, it's just so many natural here, a natural small species of bamboo like this one, and many food for him. We are in the jungle here, so elephant happy to be here anyway, and we don't worry about food here. Everywhere surrounding us. Okay. So that's why he eat and
why you kill them, the sugarcane?
It's just different thing. Like he eat mostly bamboo and the plant. So we don't have wild sugarcane here anyway. We have to plant it, we have to grow it. Okay. So that's why I know about the feeling of the animal. All the animal mostly, even you, even like human being, or like different tastes. And that's why, we feed him like.
So this is just like snack, like a dessert.
It's just snack. Give him a snack, to try something different, We know about him. Even though like plenty of bamboo, but he doesn't want to eat the same thing all the time. He needs something like different.
Right.
So you cannot eat the same food every day.
Right.
You need to change something different as well. Look at him. Go to that man, he's coming every day, 2 times a day. Look at, he want to see the elephant runs up like that. Oh cool, it's so beautiful to see that.
Yeah, this is the whole piece of sugarcane plant. So let's see how he's gonna eat it. Oh no, he didn't start right away. So he saved it.
Unbelievable. It's so big right now, you are. Look, the way he following the monk.
So he follow Venerable Ri all the time because he always give him some snack, special snack to eat. So he love sugarcane so much.
Venerable Ri go to the left, he go to the left. Go to the right, he go to the right. Always following. Could you hear that, everyone? When he chewing sugarcane?
You see?
Can you go close and you can see?
Oh, he not gonna finish?
Yeah, he just for a while to eat later.
Yeah, I think he's
gonna finish it quickly.
He's busy chewing. Actually, sugarcane is not new to him. At one time, when he was in Siem Reap, he fully fed it with sugarcane, and at that time, he also fed up with sugarcane as well, and he want to eat something different. So if we give him grass, that is like a really tasty snack, or maybe some bamboos. But here, because he eat all the natural things like bamboo, trees, and so on, so sugarcane become very, very special dessert or special snack for him. Okay, thanks to everyone for following, and please keep on watching. He look at me, I'm not so familiar to him, so could be a little bit dangerous because he's still a young old guy.
Oh, like George Jungle. Unfortunately, like Tarzan's not here. If Tarzan here, Tarzan be riding on the elephant and goes around in the jungle everywhere. Remember the Tarzan? Yeah, the famous of Hollywood movie. That he survived himself in the jungle, living with all the animals. He could speak the animal languages. He could talk to the monkey, could talk to the bird, and tiger, bear, talk to the elephant, Tarzan. I love watching that movie, Tarzan. It's my favorite movie, Tarzan.
Okay, thank you everyone. So I think we already completed our mission and we still keep feeding him, but for our video that's all for today. So we will have some more different things to show you. Please make sure you subscribe and follow or share our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.